had the experience out there. The guys are seasoned. They've been there. They've done it. You know, so it's not just reading it in a book and writing down the right answer or checking the right box. So.
No.
You know how that goes. If it makes sense, and they're not gonna. Yeah, that doesn't fly. You know.
That's right. Yeah.
Yeah, I seen Chance the other day.
Did ya? Chance is going to help me when I get ready to replace those transmitters.
Is that right? Okay.
I called him and talked to him yesterday.
Heck yeah. I stopped in that. There's that little surplus store, whatever, there in McPherson.
Oh, at the corner of 61 there?
Yeah. Of 56 and
56.
Old,
Yeah,
in,
Old
Spur
81,
there.
yeah.
And I stopped in there. My girlfriend was in there. She's addicted to that place. It's like, golly. She called me needing to stop in there for something. I stopped in there, and sure as God, there's old Chance. Chance, what are you doing in here? Oh, there's all kinds of bargains.
Yeah, there's bargains.
Yeah. Bargains on a whole bunch of stuff you probably don't need.
That's right.
You know?
That's why it's there, because somebody else didn't.
Exactly.
But he got a good deal on it.
Besides, you got to sift for an hour through crates to find a $3.99 item that's going to cost you $6.99. Did you really save anything? Sticky on you? Oh, about spit on me. Oh, hey, that wind must be coming out of the south now.
A little bit, I think.
I hope they don't pee.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
We talked about that
We
a little bit ago.
Oh,
I said, I hope he shouts down before he starts.
oh, a golden shower, right?
That's
No.
right. You got all this?
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard her snap against the discharge against the carabine. Yeah, I'll get a hold of that center key or that matching center. They've got it taped up, so we're good. All right, go ahead and bring that on down. Keep it coming.